So hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Webcam, and we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Rapoo C200. It's a 720p HD camera that Rapoo has. It's available in Silicon Valley for 895 pesos only. Okay, as you can see, I have it here. I'm going to open it up now. It comes with, of course, instruction manual, but that's supposed to be only the device is supposed to be just plug and play. Okay, so the actual device is here. It's in plastic, and let's see what does the box say. Okay, system requirements: Windows 7, 8, and 10 or above, Mac OS 10.6 or above, Chrome OS and Android version 5.0 or above. So it's supposed to work with Android devices. We're gonna try it out later if it's gonna work on the MatePad Pro. Okay, so as you can see, we'll open it up. It's in plastic. There it is. It's a little bit different compared to the Rapoo C260. Okay, the C260 from Rapoo is a 1080p webcam. Okay, but essentially they have the same setup. There's the clip, there's the tripod screw in the bottom, and this is 360-degree rotation for the camera. Okay, the up and down is roughly about, I think, 75 degrees. Okay, so it's supposed to go like that on top of your camera. So 70 to 75 degrees up. Okay, so we're gonna test it out, plug it in, and we're gonna do a quick comparison with some webcams. So this is the Supremo 1080p webcam, comparing it now against the Rapoo C200 720p camera. It's actually the camera actually looks better for the Rapoo C200, which is technically a HD computer camera and only 720p HD